Look at this. Hold on. Gosh. Oh, yes. Let's go inside. Hey, let me hit your back. Look at this. Hold on.
Great, the sun's gonna be right in my eyes.
Oh yeah. We got a big opening coming here. There you go. Jump on it.
Nope.
Well, that was good. There it went.
Suffolk County Police Operator 923. What's the location of your emergency?
Allá en Social Security District Office.
These games have, everybody's had a little bit of fault at some of these losses, and now it's just a case of us sticking together and going on the next game in the road here and trying to find a way to win that hockey game.
You talked about rush chances sort of over the course of the road trip, and I think at 4-on-4 those rushes would also be an item. Is 4-on-4 different? Like when we're talking about this game afterwards, is that coverage different? Is that shift too long, or is it a little bit?
Taylor's best mate Sabrina Carpenter and Gracie Abrams.
Hey man, you know how you've had a really rough year?
Oh, oh my god!
You okay?
Why are you telling me getting a new car? I thought you wanted to just...
Oh my gosh!
That was...
Idiot! Oh.
Teach kids in schools to always be sheep and put themselves before the herd. If there's more money for me, then there's no future I see where the humans survive with parasites inside the pectoral dish.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Dude. I should have accepted having one kid.
Oh, we just saw a wreck.
Wreck.
We just saw a wreck.
Oh my god.
I think it got it on my camera too.
Where?
On Mount Vernon and
Jesus Christ.
Hey, what are you doing? Backed out, he did 10-15. Cattle Gap, Piercy, I think. Or Cattle Gap, yeah, Cattle Gap and Piercy area.